We met where the streets collide. Different worlds, no place to hide. They said our love would never last. Two hearts moving way too fast. Hands were shaking, dreams were loud. We didn't care about the crowd. Against the lines, we crossed the fire. They drew the borders, we climbed higher. From goodbye tears to wedding lights, love survived, we won the fight. Against the lines, we crossed the fire. They drew the borders, we climbed higher. From goodbye tears to wedding lights, love survived, we won the fight. Against the lines. Distance tried to pull us apart, but time just strengthened every part. What was forbidden turned to fate. Love was patient, love will wait. Against the lines, we crossed the fire.